VEO 3 is hands down the most powerful AI video generator right now. Just look at the results.
What's up, guys? We're here at the biggest mobile tech event of the year, and trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Let's dive in.
Bro, what a futuristic phone they made. Ooh, this phone literally folds into a hologram. I swear I wasn't ready for this.
But here's the catch. It normally costs $250. But what if I told you? You can try it completely free. No hacks, no tricks, just an official way from Google. Let me show you some examples. Let you know that it works.
You can just input simple prompt like this.
First started, I was very skeptical, and it changed my life.
And another way.
Bro, what a futuristic phone they made. This phone literally folds.
Watch till the end. And I will give you exact prompt to create this type of video. So you know it works. As you can see, I have generated few more as well. As you can see, I'm on Pro account. Now let me show you how you can get this for free. Search for VEO 3 on Google. Then click on this Gemini link. From there, click on subscriptions. From there, make sure you select Google AI Pro. As you can see, there is $0 for now. It will redirect to this page. Now you can see what you are getting from Google. Flow is the tool which is used to create this type of video. Click on it. Now input card details. Don't worry, Google won't charge you as you have 1 month trial. Now you can access Google Flow or Google Gemini for video generation. The video which I shown you was generated like this. And here are some other video. Now I have used some detail prompt from ChatGPT. This is the detail prompt I have used to generate that video. I will link this in the description down below. Now generating this will cost you tokens, so make sure you generate them wisely. Once you are on Pro version, you can either use Gemini or Google Flow for generation. While generating, make sure you select this option.
If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new